Hello everyone, let's start our chapter 10, New Empire and Kingdom. Here the story begins with Arvind, who had played the role of king, who dressed like the king, and he presented as as a magician king. Who was he? So Arvind was supposed to be acting as Samudragupta. So that he played a role of Samudragupta, who was a famous ruler of Gupta dynasty. We get information about Samudragupta from the long inscription from Ashokan pillar at Allahabad. It was composed by Kavya by Harisena as a Kavya by Harisena. Poetry form में it is the inscription written, and who was a poet and the minister of Samudragupta court. Harisena was a poet and minister of Samudragupta court. What is the meaning of Prashasti? Prashasti word come from Sanskrit, which mean a praise of Lord or God. So when the poet written the Prashasti, they reward by the king or empire, can say. The Prashasti composed by the ruler, and here we also read about the one Prashasti in chapter 9. The Gautami Pushri Satkarni became far more important in the time of Gupta. Now let's talk about the Samudragupta Prashasti. Here, the Harisena describes Samudragupta as a warrior, a king who won many victories, fought many battles. He was learned poet and the learned person. The Harisena describes Samudragupta as equal to the god. So here is a small example given that his face was full of scars. The scars of uh, uh, face was full of hundred of scars and marks of battle axe, arrow, or sword, darts, iron club, etc. Okay, so uh, and these marks add the charm of his face. Okay, now the map which is on map number 7 show the different kind of ruler which described by the Hari Sena. So Hari Sena describe the different kind of rulers and tell us about Samudragupta policy about them. So as you can see, the first kind of ruler described by Harisena, the Aryavarta, the ruler of Aryavarta. The area shaded by green on the map. There are how many ruler in Aryavarta? 9. This area. This area is Aryavarta. So how many rulers is in Aryavarta? 9 rulers, and they were uprooted by Samudragupta. After that, this area merged or added in Samudragupta Empire. Now the next one is the area of which is known as the ruler of Dakshin Pata. There were the 12 rulers in that, and whose capital marked with the red dots. They surrendered to the Samudragupta after defeating and then allowed them to rule again. So here you can see the red dots. So these are the ruler of Dakshin Pata. Dakshin matlab those are ruled in south. Dakshin matlab south. Now next the ruler of inner circle. So you can see the pink portion. These are the ruler of inner that the northwest or the northeast area of our country. The ruler of these are known as the ruler of inner circle. Fine. These ruler always uh, brought the tribute for the Samudragupta and they follow the order and many times they attend the court of Samudragupta. So these are the inner circle neighboring states like Assam, Bengal, Nepal, other. Now the next one is the ruler of outlying area marked with a blue color, and these were the descendants of Kusana and Sakas. The ruler of Sri Lanka also who submitted to him and offered her daughter for marriage. You can see these rulers, the ruler which marked by blue color, filled by blue color, and ruler of Sri Lanka. So these 4 kind of rulers described by Harisena who fought against Samudragupta and what happened after that battles. Now here the one term genealogy came. What do you understand the meaning of genealogy? Genealogy means the list of ancestors. The genealogy tells about the उनके पूर्वजों के बारे में बताया जाता है. Okay, they mention about the ancestors detail. So in one mention, Samudragupta great grandfather, father, great grandfather, mother, his mother named Kumara Devi, which who was belonged to Lachiva Jana, and his father was Samudragupta, who was the first ruler of Gupta dynasty, who adopted the grand title of his grandfather Maharaja Dhiraj. The title of Samudragupta was also used as before his grandfather, the great grandfather mentioned simply only Maharaja. Okay. Now Samudragupta time figure and genealogy means, as I told you, list of ancestor. So the ruler of the dynasty, such as his son Chandragupta II. Here, so here is a mention the second Chandragupta II. Okay, so about if we find out the detail about Samudragupta, so we get information from different kind of inscription and coins. And because these coins found in Western India also, and where he overcome the large sagas, according to their belief, his court was full of learned people, and about some them you will which we will read in chapter 11. Okay. Now in next class we will continue with Harshvardhana and Harsha Charitra.